One great thing about the community is that you can set your notification email frequency to your personal preferences. Some people may prefer to get real-time notifications when someone makes a new post or uploads a file within a group they're a part of, while others may prefer to receive a daily digest. To change your notification settings, go to your profile, navigate to My Account, select Community Notifications. Scroll down under Notification Settings. The default setting is Daily Digests for each of the groups you belong to. In this example, I'm a member of 5 groups. So instead of the default daily setting, where I'd be receiving 5 separate email digests per day, 1 for each of my 5 groups, let's say that I only want to receive 1 email per day with all of the activities from all 5 of my groups. To do this, I'd simply add all 5 of my groups to the consolidated daily digest. Likewise, if I only want to receive 1 email per week with all of the activities from all 5 of my groups, I'd simply add all 5 of my communities to the consolidated weekly digest. If you prefer to be notified as soon as any activity occurs within any of the groups you belong, you'd want each of your group settings to be on real time. And finally, if you prefer to receive no email notifications at all, simply select No Email. The downside to this is that you will likely be less engaged than if you have occasional email prompts keeping you updated on what's happening in your groups. For this reason, we encourage you not to select the No Email option. Your primary email is the one you use to log into the APBP website and the APBP community. You do have the option to receive your email notifications at an email address other than your primary address. For example, maybe your primary email address is your work email, but you'd like to receive your APBP community notifications to your personal email account instead. From your profile page, which is the page we're still on, under Community Notifications, you can simply add an override email address. Enter the new email that you'd like to receive your notifications to, and you can even select the specific groups that you're a part of that you wish to receive notifications at your alternate email address. And hit Save when you are done. As you can see, I have 1 override address for 2 communities that I'm a part of.